Suppose if you are using Windows computer in this area, you must simply type. If you want to open the character map, then you can simply type here character map, and you can see that if you have opened the character map, suppose if you want to copy a letter P, you must simply double click this, then you can see that it arrived here. Or if you after that you can copy this. In this video we discuss how to open the advanced view option. So if you want to open the advanced, you must simply click this click here, then you can see that a tick mark arrived, and here we can see plenty of options available here. For example, if you move your mouse closer to this small letter F, then you can see that the Unicode is 006, and suppose if I type go to Unicode here 0. Okay, if I type 0066, if I type like this, then you can see that after I press the enter button, now you can simply click this select option. After typing this Unicode, then you can see that it has been arrived here. Another feature in this advanced view is if you want to suppose search by group, then you can simply choose all, and from here you can choose by the way you want. Or suppose if you want to search for something, you can do here. Of this video, if you already subscribed.